Hello my dear viewers, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. So guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and good and enjoying your day. So guys, in this video today I will show you some beautiful pumpkin designs ideas, DIY pumpkins ideas which are made from fabrics, wood lips, jute ropes and other things. So guys, stay with me and watch my full video. In this video you will see almost 30 plus designs of pumpkin ideas. These are for Halloween and for home decor ideas. So guys, stay with me, and if you like this video then press the like button, and if you want to ask me any question then comment me in comment box. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. All designs and all pumpkin ideas are very different and very creative. So guys, you can buy all the fabric and all materials are from Dollar Tree. These are for cheap rate. If you can make these pumpkins, then you can buy all materials from Dollar Tree. So guys, stay with me and watch my full video and get the amazing ideas. So guys, if you want to see more ideas about these crafts or these pumpkins, Halloween pumpkins, so guys, stay with me and I will show you more ideas about these. So don't go anywhere and stay with me. I will show you more ideas about these pumpkins or crafts or jute rope craft ideas. So thank you so much guys. I need your support guys. Please help me to grow my channel. It's my new channel. I hope you will support me to grow my channel, and please share my videos as much as you can, and you can also share my videos at Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, WhatsApp and etc. So I hope you all like these ideas and you will share my videos with others. So guys, अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आती हो तो लाइक के बटन पर ज़रूर क्लिक कीजिएगा, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी रिक्वेस्ट then you can comment me in comment box, comment section. So guys, thank you so much. Please take care of yourself and remember me in your prayers. I will back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. Thank you so much guys, and thanks for watching my video. I hope you like these designs and these ideas. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to share my videos with your friends, with your cousins, relatives and etc. So guys, I will show you more ideas about pumpkins, no sew build pumpkins. Take care of yourself guys. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.